Last December 25, we visited three popular destinations in Laguna using only a tricycle. Our first stops were Carmona City Park, Plaza Rizal in Binyan, and the Binyan Esplanade. So come along and join us. Santa Rosa Laguna is quite expansive and is one of the largest areas in the entire province of Laguna, which is why the journey to our place can take a considerable amount of time. Fortunately, there was no traffic, so our trip was quick. We are now in Carmona, Cavite, and this place is almost right next to Santa Rosa Laguna, which is why we were able to arrive in Carmona very quickly. Carmona, Cavite is also a good place to live. There are still many trees in the area, and it's genuinely breezy. Trees play an important role in reducing air pollution, especially with the large number of vehicles passing through the roads. While traffic naturally produces a lot of smoke and emissions, the trees help filter and clean the air. We are about to arrive at Carmona, Cavite Town Park.
Laruan. Oy, ang ate.
Hmm, Nay. I suggested that we eat first because we were already a bit hungry and we saw a food vendor outside. We bought some street food, kwek kwek, fried hot dogs, fish balls, and kikiam since we still had a long walk ahead of us. The people who accompanied me on this trip were my son, Sohan, my mother, Lisa, and my three friends, JB, Lino, and Chapol. Japol dito! Dito sa upan dito. Pwede wala naman tayong dalang pang latag. Pwede nga ano. Maghanap tayo ng upuan. Kasi Carmona Cavite Town Park is a well-loved public green space located in the heart of Carmona, serving as a relaxing urban escape for residents and visitors alike. Known for its landscape grounds, walking and jogging paths, children's playground, and outdoor fitness equipment. The park is a popular spot for family bonding, light exercise,
Kaya,
and community gatherings,
kasi
especially
ka pala yung
during early
nakikiupo sa
mornings
ano.
and late afternoons when the weather is cooler.
So, hindi ka dito. Shh.
Ayan, ano, bubalibol, oh. Tara, salid tayo dun. Ilang bulan po may partner, malapot pa.
Naghanap pa tayo eh. Naghanap pa tayo ng ano, sa labas eh.
Okay lang yan, busog mata, busog din lang yan.
Pipicture ako kayo dito dali. O doon kayo, doon. Doon kayo, doon. Diyan o, sa Christmas tree. Sohan, dali.
By the way, I'm the one serving as your cameraman, and you'll often hear me giving instructions for everyone to
Doon
get
kayo,
in
doon.
position while I take photos and videos.
Doon ka na. Doon ka na, Jabon. Jabon, doon ka na. Oh, 1, 2,
Ano maganda kayo muna yung ilaw na yan, no?
yung ano.
Ay, sa dalagaan mo yung baba. Sa baba nga lang daan.
Ay, doon tayo. Oh.
Sa baba nga daan.
Ay, tara doon na.
Ganda ka mo, no?
Sa baba bandaan. Baba tayo doon.
Ngayon, saka magpunta ka, napakakabalang tao doon, alam mo aming gabi.
Oh, you'll run faster.
Dito nga, baka magdapa. Tara. Tingin ka dito saan?
It felt like we were on a rainbow bridge with so many different colors of Christmas
Nasa
lights.
gitna ka.
It was so delightful that they came up
Tabi-tabi kayo dito.
with this concept.
Masyado na ba kayong gilid na gilid? Dito kayo nga yan. Nasa Japon. Japon, hindi ka makakasama sa video. Mamay na kayong maghanap. O ikaw, doon ka. Game. Sohan! O tara,
Uy, gusto kong bilis niya.
mamaya na, tara.
Mamas yan ang matago. Kapit ka natin.
May, lakad ka lang
Ayan pala, food bar, ayan palang tao.
Ay, naghahanap pa tayo kanina ng food court eh. Ano pala dito? Para kita kayo. Titingin na kayo dyan.
Wala akong mga pagkain nun eh.
Pambihira, kanina pa tayo naghahanap ng ano. Nandiyan pala eh. Hmm. Yung mga ilaw na. Ngayon, kakain na naman tayo. Tara nga doon.
Alam mo, kaya na natapos na lang, no?
And by nightfall, the place looked even more beautiful as they lit
Dito muna tayo, dito, dito,
The
dito.
designers of this
Doon
place
kayo.
were incredibly creative.
Punta ka doon, dali. So, dito ka.
May sakaya kayo.
Wala dito sa kaya nyo. Ano na
May
talaga?
lahat, may Ferris wheel, may ano.
Hmm.
Elektro sa
Hmm.
Alam natin ganito, nagtatay pang latag, no?
Kaya nga. Ay, ano banda?
Kasama kayo mga video na mga.
Kung pwede nga mag-gano niya, kung mga yung tent, no?
Dito kayo, dali na. Dito kayo ah. Saan? Saan?
Talagang lahat na kasama mo, ganda, bata ganda, oh.
Mm.
Sumama daw,
Picture kita sa loob. Doon kasama ng iba.
As the night goes on,
Wait,
crowd keeps growing, and it seems many of them are coming for far and wide.
Oo nga no.
Hindi na alis niya. Permanente na
Tara,
yun.
doon tayo. Dito, dito.
Saan, Tara, saan?
Tara ka. Dito tayo sa tulang.
Ang video na mga kawan.
Ganda ba?
Oo naman na.
The place is beautiful, full of colorful lights.
Oy, Chloe! Ano? Hindi ang slide ka.
Sakay mo, kuya. Gulong ka dyan.
Doon tayo sa ano, giant Christmas tree. Tara.
1, 2, 3, go!
My son Sohan is having a great time, as is my mother, and of course, our friends who are with us.
Mamaya, napakakapal ng tao dito. Pagdilim-dilim pa.
Pare-parehas na ano nakikita ko.
This place is beautiful. You can lay out a mat and have a picnic while eating together.
Bago siya magpa-profile picture. Doon kayo sa stage. One, two, three. Ay, wait lang, video pala yun, wait lang. Sige, sige. Video. O, tara na. Kaya mo na eh. Tara, ibang lokasyon naman tayo. Tara na. Pumunta tayo ni JB.
Hawakan mo ang kasi. Uy, Jacqueline, hawakan mo.
Tara tayo lilipat na.
Kay JB.
Sa una na.
Now we're heading to Binyan Plaza Park, and we decided to make the most of our outing. Binyan Plaza Park isn't that far from Carmona, Cavite, since the neighboring areas.
Wait lang, mag-withdraw muna ako. BPI.
And here we have arrived at Binyan Plaza Park. There are also many people around, and it's delightful that Binyan has preserved its old buildings and designs. It feels like you step back in time because the place is truly beautiful.
Doon kayo, pipicturean kayo doon, no? Doon kayo sa gitna. Diyan kayo dali, bibigyan ko kayo. Line up. Oh. Tara. Kaya kayos yan. Ito yung nakikita ko sa sa internet. Ay no, maraming bahay na ano.
Yan yung maraming matawa.
Parang ako doon sa taas.
Yan yung maraming matawa.
Parang ako doon sa meron dito.
Punta tayo sa Rebulto.
Tara.
Ay, hindi, dito ka lang. Wala si Kuya dyan. Dito ka lang.
Kuhan,
Kaya na bang bayan? Parang ano rin kasi nauna yun. Pero sinauna yan, inaayos lang.
dali pipicture ko kayo dyan.
Binyan Plaza Park, officially known as Plaza Rizal of Binyan, is a historic public space located in the heart of Binyan City, Laguna. It sits beside the San Isidro Labrador Parish Church, reflecting the classic Spanish-era town planning where the church and plaza form a community center. The plaza
Bawal pala
features
simula.
a monument of Dr. Jose Rizal and has long served as a gathering place for civic events, cultural celebrations, and everyday community life, making it both a historical landmark and a living social
Sige,
hub
Nay.
of the city.
Wala yung sabi.
Alin?
Doon po yun sa Angel. Makalampas sa Jollibee.
Dapat sa kami stepin. Oh, di ba TikTok?
Nay.
We haven't had dinner yet, so I suggested we look for a place to eat, even if it's just a small eatery. We walked around Binyan Market, but it was quite a
Ay, kahit
long
ano na,
walk.
kahit saan.
The Jollibees and other restaurants were all
Wala tayo
crowded,
na.
and the small eateries were mostly closed, but it was okay. We still got some
Karinderya
walking
na lang.
in and enjoyed the stroll.
Nay. Nay. Parang wala. Wala tayong makakita kainan.
Doon lang tayo kay Mulo.
Hindi naman ano yan eh.
We couldn't find any suitable restaurants to eat at, so we decided to go straight to the Baywalk at Binyan Esplanade, thinking there might be many benches there.
Oo nga no. Ba't parang walang tao?
The Baywalk Binyan Esplanade isn't that far, it's almost right next to it, but we were surprised. because
Parang
this is
nasa,
what
parang nasa
we
ano tayo?
came across.
Bigaa. Ha? Parang walang tao, ano? Ito na, ito na ba yun? Kaya nga, lubog ba? Nasaan? Oo nga, ano? Ito, may kain na nata dito. Oh. Ayun nga. Ay, ito yun na. Oh. Ito yun ba yun? Oh, malalim ata. Oo nga, lubog sila ayun no, sa kabila. Oh.
Dito sa ginapasyal na wala po.
Sarado. Tingin ko ano, lumubog kasi. Ito, ano, ayun no. Lubog ano, kaya walang tao.
The road is flooded, and it seems that the Baywalk has been submerged due to
Lalabas
the
na.
recent storms.
Magharap ng kainan. Tubig. Ha? Baka tayo malubak. Kaya ba? Ah. Ah. Wait lang. Kaya ba? Bakit? Naantok ka ba? Naantok ka ba? Ay, balik ka. Hawak. Teka muna, baba muna. Tara ka. Hawak ko. Teka muna. Naantok ka. Naantok ka tayo sa sofahan. Parang ano, walang ang tao-tao ano.
The Baywalk here in Binyan has been closed to tourists because it was submerged in water and there are no longer any people in the area.
Hila. Walang tao ano. Kapag saan tayo dadaan? Ha ha. Dead end.
After that, we decided to go home and just eat at the house. Thank you very much for watching our 34-minute trip. We still managed to enjoy Christmas in our own way. Many thanks to those who sponsored and gave financial support so we could go out and enjoy. Thank you.